Peanut oil refining method. Peanut oil refining is mainly divided into two methods: physical refining and chemical refining, which can be selected according to different needs of physical refining. Physical refining removes impurities from peanut oil through physical means. The main methods are filtration, remove large impurities, oil residues, etc. from peanut oil through a filter. Sedimentation, utilizing the difference in density between impurities and grease. The impurities settle to the bottom by standing to separate out moisture and fine impurities. Adsorption, use the adsorption effect of adsorbents to separate impurities from grease. Chemical refining. Chemical refining is based on physical refining and adds chemical reagents to assist purification. The main methods are alkali refining, use alkali to neutralize free fatty acids to remove rancid substances in oil. Decolorization, use decolorizing agents such as activated carbon to absorb the pigments in the oil to lighten the color of the oil. Deodorization, use high temperature and high vacuum to remove volatile substances in oil and improve the fragrance. And stability of oil. Peanut oil refining process. The peanut oil refining process includes the following main steps: pretreatment, screening, cleaning and processing the peanut raw materials to ensure the cleanliness and consistency of the raw materials. Pressing, press the pretreated peanut raw materials to obtain crude peanut oil separation. Separate crude peanut oil to remove impurities such as phospholipid. Physical refining. The separated peanut oil is physically refined, including filtration.